Have you ever seen a strange message in your Telegram account called verification codes and asked yourself what it's all about? Well, today I'm gonna explain what it means, how it works, and why you shouldn't worry whenever you see it in your Telegram messages or something like that. Instead of waiting for an SMS that never arrives, some apps prefer to send their login codes through Telegram. But here's the catch. These codes do not come from your friends or scammers. They all appear in a special chart called verification codes. That's the only place you'll find them. Whether a third-party app, a website, or marketplace wants to send you a code, it shows up in the verification code chart. Well, you'll notice that it has a default name and a profile picture if the service hasn't customized it. Now, the reason you see these codes in your Telegram account is because you requested it when trying to log in somewhere, or someone accidentally entered your phone number instead of theirs. Either way, your Telegram account is completely safe. Now, if you didn't request the code, simply ignore or tap report. Nothing else is required. Now, this part is very important. Codes from your Telegram account don't appear here. The errors come from the official verified name Telegram in your chat list. So never share those codes anywhere, not even in apps or services. The first one is faster delivery. Unlike SMS that can take minutes or even fail completely, Telegram codes arrive instantly, safer and encrypted. They can't be encrypted like text messages. Then the last one is they are so reliable. In that I mean no delays, no missing messages. Let's also look at the limitations. It is up to each third-party service whether they send codes by SMS, email, or Telegram. Telegram itself doesn't control where the codes go. Now, if you're not expecting the code and finally you see the code arriving in your Telegram account, just know that maybe someone was trying to insert their number and they did a mistake. Maybe they missed a digit and now it accidentally landed into your account. In short, verification codes chart is just a secure place where other apps send the verification code to your account. Your account is safe, but in case you receive a login code that you didn't request, you either ignore it or you report it. And if you're a developer or business, Telegram even offers a gateway to send these codes faster and more securely than SMS. And yeah, that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.